UNgqongqotjhe wezePilo uDr Joe Phaahla uthi nanyana sikhuphukile isibalo sabantu abangeniswa esibhedlela nje kodwa sengakafiki ku-3,000 begodu nabagula kakhulu abakafiki emakhulu namathathu.
In the emergency unit here there is a COVID emergency area fully fledged with oxygen points so just in terms of the question which said are we ready if there is a rise, just starting from here we have now additional facilities here to can actually handle emergencies of COVID.
Ukuvulwa ngobutjha ingcenye yophiko lezesizo lorhabako lesibhedlela eCharlotte Maxeke kuzokusiza ngehlangothini labantu abatheleleka nge-COVID-19 njengombana isifunda seGauteng sidlula ku-50% kabantu abathelelekako nje. Ihlangothi loni wamlilo esibhedlela esila agcine sele lingezelelwa ukoniwa kwePhaahla kunye nobelelesi kodwana lokho kugcine ngokuthi kubotshwe izisebenzi ezintathu zokuthuthukiswa komthangalasisekelo eGauteng.
We are also putting CCTV cameras. The way the hospital was built, it was just one big open area where you could walk in many of the floors, especially the interfloors, from one end to the other. So now we are compartmentalizing the CCTV cameras to be able to focus on certain areas, but also areas of high risk in terms of that, which we are being assisted in terms of which are these high risk areas.
Njenganje abekho abantu abagulako bavumeleke ukuthi bangazingenela ngengcenye yesibhedlela yesizwe lorhabako. Umakhiwo lo uneenkube ezincane ezilikhomba kodwa njenganje kusasebenze embili kwaphela.
The next area is set to open this coming Wednesday, and the other 3 areas we are waiting for the CT scan to become operational, which we're hoping to get online by next week.
Kanti amanye amahlangothi wesibhedlela azokulungiswa ngokupheleleko kungakafiki umnyaka 2023.